Let's talk about two common words students often use incorrectly: possession and possessions. What's the difference? What was that? Did you see that? There it was again. Okay, we need to talk about that. Keep watching until the end, okay? So, if you want to learn English vocabulary, stay tuned. Hi, guys. Just a short interruption. Please take a second and hit that like button. It really helps my channel. Thank you so much. Back to the video. Okay, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Possession versus possessions. What's the difference? Let's get started. The words possession and possessions are often used incorrectly. Although they are similar in meaning, they cannot always be used interchangeably. Again? Okay, more on that later. Possession is a countable or an uncountable noun. Let's talk about uncountable first. Possession refers to the act of owning or having something. Ownership. Example: possession. Let's think about soccer or football. Real Madrid took possession of the ball, the soccer ball. This means they have the ball. One of the players is controlling the ball. Martha took possession of the house when her father passed away. This means she became the owner of the house. Countable. Possession can refer to a single item someone owns. One possession. For example, my Rolex watch is a very valuable possession. This is not a Rolex watch. I wish. This means the Rolex I own is worth a lot of money. Not this one. Okay. My grandfather's ring is my most prized possession. The ring is the most important thing or item I own, I have. Understand? A prized possession is an item that has emotional value attached to it, irrespective of the price or the worth of the item. So if something is your prized possession, this means you care deeply about it. It's very important to you sentimentally. Understand? Okay. Possessions with an S are plural and countable. Possessions refer to the things that someone owns or has. Possessions can refer to multiple items, more than one item. Example: he lost a few of his possessions when his backpack was stolen. So maybe he lost his backpack, maybe his laptop, his notebook, his phone. You get the idea, right? So this means he lost a few things he owns. Another example: these books you see are some of my favorite possessions. This means these books are some of my favorite things I own. Possessions also refer to all of the things that someone owns or has. This definition is sometimes where students or learners become confused. So, possessions can mean all of the things someone owns or has. Everything. Everything someone owns or has. Example: I'm moving to a new house today. My possessions are in this truck. Everything I own is in the truck. Understand? After the fire, the family stored their possessions in a warehouse. Everything they have is in the warehouse. Let's talk about some common collocations with possession. Collocations are words that commonly go together. In possession of. In possession of. He was caught in possession of illegal substances. This means he had illegal things with him, in his pockets, in his backpack, etc. And caught probably by the police, right? The possession of. The possession of. Usually we begin a sentence with this: the possession of weapons is illegal. This means owning these items or having them with you in your pockets is illegal. Valuable possession. This Renaissance painting is a valuable possession. Valuable means money. Most precious possession. Most precious possession. My antique vase is my most precious possession. I couldn't think of another example. I don't care about antique vases, but you might. This means your most prized or sentimental possession. Precious means you really care about it. You want to keep it and protect it. Lost possession. Lost possession. Real Madrid lost possession of the ball. This means they don't have the ball anymore because the other team has possession of the ball. Charged with possession. He was charged with possession of a controlled substance. This means the police found illegal things and charged him with a crime. A controlled substance, usually Something illegal, right? Take possession of. The police took possession of the stolen goods. This means the police took ownership of the items. They took control of the items. They have the items. Okay. Lastly, uncountable. Lastly, possession can refer to, I'll give you a hint. Are you ready? Ooh, there she is again. Very pretty. Okay, look at these movie posters. The Possession of Hannah Grace. The Possession. The Possessed. Constantine. And my favorite, The Exorcist, the original Exorcist. Great movie. So, possession can refer to the state of being possessed by an evil spirit or demon. Spirit possession, a concept found in many cultures and religions, refers to the belief that a person's body and mind are controlled or influenced by a non-corporeal entity, often a spirit, ghost, demon, or god. Non-corporeal entity. Oof, those are some big words. A non-corporeal entity means a being or a thing that exists not in the physical world, like you and I right now, like a ghost or a spirit. They exist in the air or in a different place, right? Not reality. So this means the evil spirit or demon controls you. Possession. Let's look at an example. Demonic possession is a popular theme in horror movies. I love horror movies. What about you? Let me know in the comments. Okay, guys. Also, let me know your questions in the comments section and ideas for future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you learned something and subscribe to the channel because you're still watching right now. Also, hit that bell icon so YouTube tells you whenever I make future videos. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple. I will see you in a future video. Bye for now.